Tonight, we celebrate our first bamboo festival. Bamboo has been a part of human culture for thousands of years. The beauty and versatility of a bamboo have been a symbol of prosperity, strength, and flexibility.
To our visionary and ever-supportive 4th District Representative and our guest for tonight's event, Honorable Joseph Salvador Tan, dedicated barangay officials headed by our untiring barangay captain, Moises Bartolome, community members of this prestigious barangay, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
To set up this noteworthy event, let us all stand for the singing of the national anthem, Mrs. Arlene Ibredico conducting, and please remain standing for the doxology, Mrs. Lovella Pascual in charge.
pleasure to be celebrating Aumentos occasion. We're here together as a barangay committee and to inaugurate the second day and barangay night of our first Bamboo Festival and Barangay Fiesta. To our ever-supporting and dedicated Congressman, Honorable Joseph Khan, our energetic and untiring barangay officials, headed by our beloved barangay captain, Honorable Moises Bartolome, active kabataan, headed by PSP Chairman, Honorable Leontine Vitente, to the active and untiring executive and working committees, to the Women's Club officers and members, our barangay canons, the supporting teachers headed by our head teacher of Masaya Norte Elementary School, Ma'am Leonardo Vidente, and also the supporting teachers from other schools, public and private. Fellow Masaya Norte people, friends, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. For generations, bamboo has served as a cornerstone of our community, playing a vital role in construction, craftsmanship, and even culinary traditions. Today, we gather to celebrate this versatile and sustainable resource, showcasing its incredible potential. As we explore the festival grounds, we witness firsthand and remarkable artistry and ingenuity fostered by bamboo. Our esteemed artisans have crafted those few inspiring creations, each a testament to the strength and beauty of this plant. Savory dishes prepared with bamboo that tantalize our taste buds, highlighting these unexpected culinary applications. The very atmosphere of this vibrant festival embodies the spirit of bamboo, a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and endless possibility. The success of this special event would not be possible without the eager dedication of them. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the dedicated organizing committee and various volunteers. Your vision, meticulous planning, and tireless efforts have brought this festival to life. The talented artists, chefs, vendors showcase the boundless potential of bamboo and will share exceptional talents with our community. And the dancers that will showcase their talents this night. Our generous sponsors, your invaluable support has been instrumental in making this event a reality. And of course, all of you. Your presence here today signifies your shared appreciation for this remarkable resource and elevates this event to a truly special occasion. As we embark on this first ever celebration, I encourage you to embark upon a journey of discovery. Let's explore the good and fascinating uses of bamboo, both traditional and innovative. Support our local artisans and vendors. Making home a unique piece of bamboo, are indulging a delectable dish that showcases its culinary versatility. Let us also explore the importance of sustainable practices, recognizing bamboo as a renewable resource that can contribute to a cleaner future. This festival serves a platform to celebrate not only Bangko, but also the spirit of our community. It is a time for learning, for appreciating our heritage, and for recognizing the boundless possibilities that lie within this remarkable plant. As I enjoy feel this discovery, inspiring and a renewed appreciation for the wonders of nature. May this event a resounding success, fostering a deeper connection between our community and this exceptional